So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on reset PC. By the way, before we do this, make sure you have all your important files backed up to an external hard drive, flash drive, anything like that. So now we have two options, keep my files or remove everything. If you go with keep my files, it's going to remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. If you do go with this option though, I would still back up all your important files just in case though. Or you could just go remove everything. It does what it says, it's just going to remove everything. It's up to you what you're going to go with. I'm going to be doing remove everything. And now we could either go with a cloud download or local install. I'm going to be doing local install. And now if you would have chosen the option to remove everything, you will now be getting this, which is the additional settings. It's going to be showing you what your current settings are. For example, you have remove apps and files, do not clean the drive, delete all files only from Windows Drive, etc. This is what's going to happen when you reset your computer. If you want to change any one of this, you're going to go to change settings. So now where it says clean data, it says just remove your files. This is quicker but less secure. Right now the option is set to no, which means that this is what's going to happen. If I click on yes, the option will now change. Instead it's now going to clean the drive. This may take hours, but will make it harder to recover files. So if I do want this, I'm going to keep it on yes. If I want to go back to the previous option, I'm going to keep it on no. And that's going to be the same for these other options right here. The options are going to change if you click on yes or no. So just go through what you want. And then you want to click on confirm. And then click on next. And it's now going to be saying ready to reset PC. It's now going to say resetting will. It's going to do all of this depending on what settings that you chose earlier. And you might have some notes here that you want to read as well. So now once you find out all this, you now want to click on reset. It's then going to reset your computer back to factory settings. That's how you do it.